If you've been looking for a way to make money online with crypto but don't know where to start, CryptoCode might be exactly what you need. CryptoCode is a trading course and software package built by Joel Peterson and Adam Short, two guys who have been in crypto space for years. What makes the system stand out is that it's designed so anyone, even complete beginners, can start trading without spending hours glued to a laptop. Here's how it works. The heart of the program is the Bot Toolkit. This is their automated trading robot that scans the market, looks for the best opportunities, and can even handle trades for you. So instead of stressing about charts all day, the bot does the heavy lifting. On top of that, you get premium trade alerts. These are signals sent straight to you, so you can copy the pros and trade with more confidence. And if you want to actually learn the skills behind the system, you'll have access to CryptoCode University. It's a full set of 92 video lessons, starting with crypto basics, moving through Bitcoin cycles, and then diving deeper into advanced trading strategies like reading charts and patterns. You'll also get access to their mastermind community, Joel and Adam's personal crypto portfolios, and even bootcamp recordings from past live events. That means you're not doing this alone. You're learning and trading alongside a group of people who are serious about crypto success. So if you're ready to explore crypto trading with tools that help you trade smarter, not harder, check out CryptoCode. I've dropped my link in the description where you can sign up and get started today.